Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate and transfer your Wix website. Whether you're creating a backup, handing over a project to a client, or starting a new site based on an existing design, knowing how to manage your sites this way is incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This is where all your site management options live, and it's the gateway to accessing everything you need for this tutorial. Now you'll be taken to a page that displays all the websites currently associated with your Wix account. Take a moment to browse through and locate the specific website you want to work with. This might be the site you're planning to transfer to someone else or the one you'd like to duplicate for another project. Finding the right site here is crucial, so make sure you've selected the correct one before moving forward. Once you've identified your site, look for the Site Actions button. This button is typically positioned near your site's name or thumbnail. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your site. This menu is your control center for actions like editing, transferring, or duplicating your website. If you want to transfer your site to another user, click on Transfer Site from the drop-down menu. A small transfer window will pop up on your screen. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to transfer the site to. This is an important step, so double-check that you've entered the correct email address to avoid sending your site to the wrong recipient. Once you've typed in the email, click on Continue to initiate the transfer process. Wix will handle the rest, notifying the recipient and guiding them through accepting the site. Now, if your goal is to duplicate the website instead, simply click on the Site Actions button again. From the drop-down menu, select Duplicate Site. A small window will appear, asking you to provide a name for this duplicated site. Choose a name that helps you distinguish it from the original, especially if you're managing multiple sites. Type the name into the field provided, and then click on Duplicate. Wix will create an exact copy of your site, which you can then customize or use as a starting point for a new project. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to both transfer and duplicate a Wix website, giving you full control over how you manage and share your web projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.